The Maytag washer's F3E2 error code indicates a problem with the appliance's temperature sensor. This issue can be caused by a faulty water temperature sensor. To fix the problem, start by checking the temperature sensor. Begin by powering off the washer and disconnecting the power cable from the electrical outlet. Next, turn off the water supply and remove the washer's rear panel using a screwdriver. Use a multimeter to check the continuity between the sensor's black wires and the central control unit connector. If the continuity test fails, replace the main harness with a new unit. Then, gently remove the temperature sensor, located at the bottom of the washer's tub, and measure its resistance using a multimeter. A normal reading should be around 50,000 ohms. If the reading is different, replace the sensor with a new one. After making the necessary repairs, reconnect the sensor's wires, install the rear panel, and power on the washer. If the issue persists, it may be best to consult a certified washer repair technician for further assistance.